Hey guys, Abdul here. Just want to show y'all a problem that I had with my Sony TV. I'd have these 3 blinking red lights there, and every time I go to turn it on, it would blink green, then immediately shut off like that. And I think I found the fix to it. In this little housing here, this is where the lamp for the TV sits, and as you can see here, my finger's pointing, there's 2 connectors right there, and beside that is a little sensor. Okay, and the lamp wasn't depressing that little sensor, and here's the fix. So this right here is the lamp for the TV itself, as you can see, and right here, I glued a piece of wood so it can depress the sensor, because this piece right here that you can see, for some reason it wasn't depressing that little sensor as it should. So this right here, it should depress it. So I'm gonna go and insert this really carefully. You want to make sure your TV is plugged off for this. And you also want to make sure that this door is in there tight and closed tight, because there's a sensor for it as well. Let's give it a try. Here we go. Looks like it worked. Here we go, guys. Looks like it turned on. This is just because I don't have my antenna hooked up. I just wanted to let y'all know, in case you can't find a piece of wood thick enough, you can also use electrical tape. It will work just fine. Thank you.